Hello, welcome to the Moving Forward channel. Today we're going to present an educational video on how to start a low-cost cleaning and organizing services business. Nowadays, with the hectic lives that many people lead, the demand for residential and commercial cleaning services is constantly growing. If you have organizational skills and like to keep spaces clean and tidy, this could be the ideal business for you to start. Let's now explore the practical steps to turn your passion for cleaning into a profitable business. Now let's break down the steps to starting a low-cost business. Step 1. Research and planning. Before starting any business, it is essential to carry out detailed market research to understand the demand for cleaning and organization services in your area. Identify your target audience, local competitors, and your pricing strategies. In addition, make a detailed plan that includes your services offered, marketing strategies, and financial projections. For example, if you are located in a residential area with many busy families, you could focus on residential cleaning services, such as weekly or monthly cleaning. If there are many offices and businesses in the area, you could offer commercial cleaning services, such as office cleaning. Services such as cleaning offices, stores, or doctor's surgeries. Step 2. Legalization and licensing. Make sure you comply with all local and state regulations to start a cleaning and organizing services business. This may include obtaining business licenses, liability insurance, and registering your business with the relevant authorities. For example, check with your local government what the specific requirements are to start a cleaning services business in your area. They may require a business license and also provide guidance on the safety and hygiene standards you must follow. Step 3. Acquiring equipment and supplies. In order to offer quality cleaning services, it is essential to invest in the right equipment and supplies. This can include vacuum cleaners, mops, cleaning cloths, cleaning products, and personal protective equipment, PPE, for you and your team, if applicable. For example, start with the basics, and as your business grows, you can invest in more advanced equipment. Look for local or online suppliers that offer quality products at affordable prices. Step 4. Marketing and promotion. To attract customers to your business, invest in effective marketing and promotion strategies. This can include creating a professional website, distributing flyers or business cards, advertising on social networks, and partnerships with real estate agents or local businesses. For example, create a strong online presence, highlighting your services, prices, and testimonials from satisfied clients. Consider offering discounts or special promotions for first-time customers to encourage positive word of mouth. To conclude, with these steps, you'll be ready to start your own low-cost cleaning and organization services business. Remember to maintain quality of service, focus on customer satisfaction, and adapt your strategies as necessary to ensure long-term success. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.